This is a demonstration of the new 2000 software so that we can now control the application change through Profibus. We already have a valve box that can select different application or different gas using a couple of other bytes in the commands on Profibus. So the 2000, like I'm saying, like the GC instrument, like the 4060, you can do that, and the GC Pro. So the 2000 is adopting the same scheme, the same feature, so the same commands will work. So in this case, here I have Profi Captain. The first 4 bytes here, 0 or 5 bytes, 0 through 4, are the output bytes that go command the valve box, and the return starts here on the input is what comes from the valve box, starts at 0 over here. So this first byte, byte 0, is the byte that controls the valve in the valve box. The second one is the one that turns on the maintenance light on and off. Okay. But the ones that are special for selecting application in the 4060 or GC Pro are the next 2 bytes, bytes 2 and bytes 3. So if you set the byte 2 to true, to 1, and then you can use now byte 3. You can use it to command which application will come on. So in this case, it's set to application 1, and in the valve box returns with application it is on, with this 1 over here. So when I change this one to application 2, now see here it changes it is on application 2. When I go to application 3, the feedback changes, the application is 3, and application 4 means is on application 4. So now we'll go back to application 1. Go back to application 1, and we're going to now look at the 2000. There is the valve box connected to it, and there is the 2000. Let me prop it up a little bit so we can see. See better. So if you look at it closely, you can see that it is selecting range 1 right now, which is argon and nitrogen. So now I'm going to go to Profi Captain and repeat what I showed before. I'm going to select application 2. And now you see it changed to range 2, which is an application of CO2 in air, 0 to 100%. This, I made up these ranges. I put ranges in there. Whatever, you can program these ranges to whatever application you want. So now I'm going to go to range 3, which is a different application on Profi Captain, and you can see now it's range 3, hydrogen CO2, 0 to 10%. Like I said, I made up. And then there is 4, which uses the cal range. 4 is the cal range on the 2000. So in this case, I made a hydrogen air 0 to 10%. I can go back to range 1 on Profi Captain, and there it is. It goes back to range 1. So that's how it works on the 4060. You were selecting groups, different groups. In here we got ranges. We got basically 3 ranges and a cal range. So you can select the range you want, and the range can have a different application. So basically I would say you have 3 ranges. The cal range is a special one that you use to calibrate the other 3 ranges. So that's the demonstration of now the 2000 software updated to be able to change the range and therefore change the application using the same setup that you were using before for 4060 type analyzer or GC Pro.